Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we discuss chapter number 2, enzymes, important difference between activators, inhibitors, competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition, activators and inhibitors. Point number 1, enzyme activators can bind with an enzyme, inhibitors. Inhibitors can bind to the enzyme active site or a different site, blocking its function. Point number 2, activators can increase the activity of an enzyme. Inhibitors can decrease the activity of an enzyme. Point number 3. Example of activators include hexokinase and glucokinase. Example of inhibitors include ribonuclease inhibitors, etc. Competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition. Point number 1. In competitive inhibition, similar substrate bind with active site instead of original substrate. In non-competitive inhibition, molecule bind with any site except active site. Point number 2. Similar in conformation to the substrate, have a different conformation to the substrate. Point number 3. Increase the substrate concentration. Do not change the substrate concentration. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.